Hey everyone, let's talk about something that could change your financial future forever. The power of compounding and how it can help you retire early. Imagine you could turn a small, consistent investment into a small fortune over time. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me, and I'll show you how it works. Let's rewind to when you're 25 years old. You've got a little bit of cash to spare, maybe $1,000, and you decide to make a smart move with it. You also decide to add $50 each month to that investment. It doesn't seem like a lot, right? I mean, $50 is just a couple of trips to your favorite coffee shop. But let's see what happens if we take that $50 and put it into an investment that gives you a 12% return per year. Here's where the magic happens. At first, it's just your $1,000 growing at 12% annually. But here's the thing. Compounding kicks in. What does that mean? It means that the money you earn from your investment earns even more money. Over time, the interest you make will start making interest of its own. It's like planting a tree, and every year it grows bigger and stronger, sprouting new branches that grow more branches. In the beginning, it's small, just a few extra bucks. But after a few years, that snowball starts picking up speed. The growth becomes exponential. By year 5, year 10, you start seeing some serious results. And by the time you hit 20 years, you've turned your initial $1,000 and $50 a month into a massive nest egg of over $507,000. Now, here's where it gets exciting. With that $507,721, you're in control. You don't have to wait until you're 65 to retire. Because of that powerful compounding, you can start living off the returns from your investment much sooner. Let's say you decide not to touch the principal. Instead, you live off the interest. At 12% annually, that means you're earning about $60,900 a year just from your investment returns. That's more than enough for a comfortable lifestyle, whether you want to travel, start a new business, or just relax and enjoy life. No more working 9 to 5. Oh, let's talk about why this works. It's the power of time and consistency. By starting early and sticking with it, you've let that snowball grow. Had you spent that $50 each month on random stuff, trendy gadgets, impulse buys, or extra snacks, none of this would have happened. The secret to growing your wealth is letting your money work for you, not spending it on things that won't last. That $50 could have turned into over $500,000. The power of compounding takes small, consistent efforts and turns them into something huge over time. Remember, the key here is to start early and stay consistent. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work its magic. So, think about how you're spending your money today and whether it's helping you build the future you want. It's never too late to start, but the sooner you begin, the bigger the rewards. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's all get smarter about money and make those early retirement dreams a reality. See you in the next one.